Hello and welcome back, team. My name is AJ, one of the mentors here at Bit Trading, and today we are going to take a look at the price of Bitcoin. We're going to take a look at the trades that we are currently in, future price levels that we are interested in trading, and I'm also going to cover when to enter a trade and when not to enter a trade to help you guys profit off of these price movements. So if that sounds interesting, smash the thumbs up button, subscribe if you are new, and turn the bell notification on so you never ever miss another upload. And make sure you watch this video up until the end, because like I said, I'm going to give you some valuable information on how to profit off of these price movements. Enough of that, let's jump into the charts and see what is going on. So as I said, okay, we are going to take a look at the trades that we are currently in, okay? And we are in two trades right now. We are in a long position from around 27,000, okay, all the way down here, which as you can see has yielded us some really nice profits, and we have taken some profits on the way up, okay? We're also going to take a look at this short position, okay, as well. So I gave this long position to my Visionary members on the Visionary Discord, okay? I said scalp long on the fake out to the downside, okay? As you can see, very quickly, we took TP1 at 36%, okay? Move the stop loss to entry, okay? Making this a risk-free trade, okay? And then as that trade went on, we took another TP2 on the long at 185%, okay? So this long position has yielded us some really nice profits, okay? And straight after that long position, what did we do? We entered into a short position, okay? Why is that? Well, we were seeing the bearish indications like we were seeing the bullish indications down here to enter the long. We were now seeing the bearish indications, okay, to enter into a short. Okay, so what did I do? I told my team that I was taking a hedged short because we were seeing the failed auction of the new local range high, okay, with bearish CVD coming in, and the open interest was looking bearish anyway, okay? Very quickly, we took TP1 on the short, moved the stop loss to entry. Very nice 71% profit on that, okay? And that trade went on to yield us almost 200% in a profit. So that was a very profitable short position, and we are still currently in that long position, and we're still currently in that short position. Why is that? Well, we've taken the majority of the profits off of the trades, okay, but we still got some capital left in the trade, okay, to see if we can take advantage of that movements once, okay, price, either breaks below 27,000 or breaks above, okay, 28,623, okay, at this new high that we formed right here, okay. So if you want access to my trades, you want access to the Visionary Discord, where I'm giving all my trades away, now make sure you click the link in the description, okay? It will take you over to bittrading.uk, click on Bit Trading here, and you can gain access to that Visionary Discord, okay? And somewhere on the screen there will be a code which will give you 1 month free access to that Visionary Discord, so make sure you take advantage of that. It's risk-free, you can cancel anytime, so you can have the free month and then cancel after, so yeah, completely risk-free, so just make sure you take advantage of that, and you can see, how we are making trades like this on a daily basis, okay? But yeah, enough of that. Let's talk about what has happened fairly locally, okay? Because we're seeing a pullback right here. Before we get into that, okay, I just want to talk about this bit of price action right here. Okay, just this little bit of price action right here. Why is that? Well, because this is a very good example of when not to enter a trade and then when to enter into a trade. Okay, so for this we need to go into the 15 minute time frame, okay, and we're going to pull up this parallel channel that I have, okay. Now this was a range that we were trading within, okay, and I was telling you guys here on YouTube, and I was telling my team, this is a level, these are levels that I'm actually interested in trading, okay, the range high right here and the low of the range right here, okay. Now, obviously, okay, we want to see the bearish confirmation and the bearish confluences at either one of these levels, okay? What we saw was actually price rise, okay, up to the range high, okay? Price rose up to the range high right here, okay? We got a breakout, so, there was a higher probability that we could actually see higher prices, okay? But what happened? Price formed a failed auction. Now, this failed auction, okay, is something we look for when entering into a short position, okay? And a lot of people would have seen this, okay, and entered into a short position. Okay, why didn't we enter into a short position? Okay, well, we weren't seeing all of the confluence aligning, okay, and I preach this here at Bit Trading. You need to look for that confluence. If the confluence isn't there, then you don't enter the trade, okay? And I'm going to cover that very briefly, okay? So we formed this failed auction here, okay? So this is the exact same price action, okay? So we have the failed auction form right here. Here was a failed auction as well, okay? And as you can see, right, if we're looking at the open interest, okay, the price action and the CVD, okay, what we can see is that price action is forming very clear higher highs, okay, but the open interest is doing the same thing, meaning that, you know, longs are opening, okay, and the CVD is also doing the same thing as well, okay. CVD is not looking bearish. Open interest isn't looking bearish, okay, price action is forming nice higher highs, okay, so none of this price action here, okay, was bearish, this pump towards the upside, okay, we like to look for highs to short, that's what we like to do here at Bit Trading, okay. But on this rise, okay, there was nothing bearish about this rise, okay, yes, we got this pullback here, but what happened, okay, we took out this high, okay, so if people entered into a short here, their stop loss would have been above the high right here, okay, and their trade would have been stopped out, okay, so we didn't look at shorting this because we knew, okay, price wasn't looking bearish, even though we had this bearish reaction towards the downside, price still wasn't looking bearish, we were looking for higher prices, okay, and as you can see, we formed higher prices, and what actually happened, okay, we formed a perfect SFP, okay, of this internal high right here, okay, or external high if we're looking at it on the 15-minute time frame, which we are, okay, so this external high, okay, internal high on the 4-hour, external high on the 15-minute, okay, we formed a perfect SFP, okay, and then what was happening on the open interest and the CVD? Well, we were looking bearish, okay, we were looking bearish on the CVD, as you can see right here, and we were looking bearish on the open interest, okay, so this was a valid short position. Now, I'm gonna let you know I did not enter this short position because I was asleep at this moment in time, okay, it was almost 1 o'clock in the morning, so I didn't enter into this trade, but I just wanted to show you this as an example, okay, when not to enter a trade and when to enter a trade, okay. Yes, this was looking bearish here, okay, forming the failed auction, but not bearish enough to enter into a trade, okay. So price took out the highs here, okay, then price looked bearish, and then you can enter into that short position. So as you can see, you know, if you did actually trade this, and some of the members at Bit Trading may have traded this, okay, as you can see, that trade would have been very, very profitable. It would have had a really nice risk to reward ratio as well, okay, so this would have been a valid valid trade, okay, and you would have taken profit and moved that stop loss to entry, okay. So I just wanted to show you that briefly to show you, you know, when to not enter a trade and when to enter a trade as well. But let's look at the price action, okay, that is going on right now, okay, because Bitcoin is getting a dump, okay. Bitcoin is getting a big dump towards the downside, and I was actually telling my team that we were expecting this dump, okay. I was telling my team that we're expecting this dump on that Visionary Discord, okay. As you can observe right here, okay, I said locally price is coming is bearish coming into the GP and the 786 retracement, okay. So again, locally price is looking bearish coming into the GP and the 786 retracement, okay. This is what I was telling my team. This is the exact same chart, okay. Let's go to the 1 hour, okay, the exact same chart, okay, coming into that GP. What was I telling my team? We were looking bearish. What has occurred straight after that? Okay, a dump in the price of Bitcoin, okay. So as you can see, this is what I'm giving my team on the Visionary Discord, okay. I'm telling them why as well. We were seeing bearish CVD and bearish open interest, okay. So this was on the 1 hour chart, okay. Price is forming higher highs, okay. Open interest looking bearish, CVD looking bearish as well. Coming into that GP, so what are we expecting? We're expecting lower prices. Now, I did say, you know, I'm not looking to short this because we are already in a short position, okay? And we have to factor in as well that price is forming, you know, nice higher highs, okay, and nice lower highs as well, okay? This is a nice, healthy uptrend, okay? But this could be, okay, the break of structure. This could be the break of structure. If we're getting rejected here, okay, and we take out this low here, this is a break of structure, okay. What are we doing now? Well, we are now going to be in a downtrend, okay. So let's just have a look at that briefly. Let's come out onto the 4 hour, okay, and have a look at this. As you can see, we've got the price making higher highs and higher lows, okay, right here. But if this is going to be the break of structure here, okay, what could we then see from here? Well, we could see this low being taken out, okay, making a lower low, okay. Then we could come back up, possibly form a lower high, okay, and then, you know, maybe even get a bigger move towards the downside, okay. Because remember, you know, I have a larger time frame bearish biased, okay, larger time frame bearish biased. Why is that? Well, because we formed the failed auction of this much larger range, okay, on the 4 hour time frame here, okay, and you know, all we've done here is come for a GP retracement, okay, and we're getting a very big bearish reaction off of this level, okay? Like I was telling my team on the Visionary Discord, okay? What did I say? Locally, price is looking bearish coming into the GP because we were seeing bearish CVD and bearish open interest, okay? As soon as I said that, what happened? Price has had a huge pullback, okay? So this is what you get on that Visionary Discord. You get updates like this. You get, you know, on the money trades, you know, very profitable trades, and we are seeing this price now pull back, okay? Didn't expect it to pull back this quick, but it did, okay? And yeah, like I've been saying, you know, in yesterday's video, I am actually still targeting this value area high of the 4-hour range, okay? If we can break below the, you know, 4-hour range here, what are we looking for? We're looking for POC, possibly value area low as well, maybe even the low of the range, okay? So on the larger time frames, I do have a bearish bias, okay? I do have a bearish bias. I am looking for lower prices, and this could just be the rejection that we were looking for to see those lower prices, okay? So yeah, that's pretty much all I've got for you today. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure if you want access to that Visionary Discord, okay, there was a code somewhere on the screen, okay, which gives you 1 month free access, risk-free, you know, as well. You can get that 1 month free access, and yeah, you can cancel it anytime, and you can make trades like this. Yeah, I'm putting all my trades in the Discord, so make sure you take advantage of that. If you enjoyed, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you are new, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. So thank you very much for watching, guys, and see you later. Goodbye.